Flip screens are fun, but it's annoying when you're not able to get its full potential. Sometimes it's too tiny to even see what is happening. In this video, I'll show you how to use your smartphone or iPad or any tablet as a monitor for your camera. In order to do this, you need to have the following things. Your camera, obviously, your camera charging cable, USB-C to USB-A adapter, your phone or tablet, phone mount, which is optional if you want to place it on the camera, and app on the phone. So the very first step that you need to do is to change the media settings on your camera. On Sony camera, this is how you do it. Come to USB connection and change this to PC remote, and then change the USB power supply from on to off. Similarly, you have to change it on other camera models as well. Now this software works wirelessly for most latest cameras, but delays can be expected. But wired connections are super smooth and really worth it. Now you can connect the camera cable, then connect the other end to your phone. And then open the app and then select the camera model that comes here. You can control various settings in the free version of this app. If you want to control more settings, you may need to take the premium version. Now if you have phone mount, you can mount it onto the camera like this and get a really great experience. So I hope you found this video helpful. For those who don't know, I'm Fenzer. I do travel tech and filmmaking on this channel. So if you're into that sort of stuff, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Let me know if you have any questions on this. I'll be happy to answer them. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.